guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some new and exciting products by some amazing brands. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So all of these products just arrived. STYLEVANA actually sent them to me for review to show you guys. So thank you so much for sending me some amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let me just tell you, STYLEVANA actually got a hold of me and they said there's a few brands that have some brand new releases and they wanted you guys to see them. So they asked if they could send them to me so I can show you, and here we go. Let's go ahead and start with this box right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is just stunning. So it says Slay Sunny Days. It's by It's Tree, and all the products in here are to protect, soothe, and hydrate. Again, I love the packaging. It's like a bright neon green, almost looks like it's glowing fluorescent. Absolutely love it. And dun 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 dun. This is what it looks like down inside. And even this you can flip over and it gives you a little bit of information on the top. But there is the lid. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And then these are the products that are down inside. And oh my gosh, that is super, super cute. Okay, so there is even like this little plastic thing here, which will go over all of the products. And yes, so let's start one by one. I'm gonna go from here this way, working through this cute little kit. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. So this is the first one, and it says it is an Onion New Pair Booster Shot 2000. So the key points to this, there's something in there to strengthen your skin barrier. There's something for deep hydration, and then collagen for improved skin's elasticity. Oh, look at that. You flip it up and then you can squeeze it out. Yep. And I don't really smell anything, but oh my gosh, that feels amazing. Oh my goodness, that feels so good. And again, it is the Booster Shot 2000. That is so cute. I love the package and how you get it out of the pump too. It feels so smooth and soft and nourishing. Oh my goodness. That feels awesome. Okay, so next in here is this guy right here. And this is the Onion New Pair Sunscreen. And it has SPF 50 PA+++++, and it's a 50 ml. That is so cute. It's a cool little package too, the way that it's that it's shaped. So then this one, let's see if we have like a white cast or anything like that. So there's white. Oh, it pretty much instantly goes away. Look at that. So that is nice. I love a good sunscreen that just instantly that white cast goes away, so then you don't have to worry about like having white stuff anywhere on you. It blends in seamlessly. Look at that. That was nice. Instant blending. Love that. Okay, so the next is this guy right here, and it says that it's a special gift. Stick form SPF 50 PA+++++. Easy to use and mattifying. But this is just adorable with like this little keychain and everything hanging on it. So you have this that matches the package. It says It's Tree. It's that green like neon color. Then this one here says Slay, what does it say? Slay Sunny Days. This one seems like it's more of like a piece of paper or like a thin plastic. And then you have this little smiley face right here. And then you have, what else is on here? And then there's this like keychain thing here. I just think that is so cool with all these things hanging on it. This literally makes me want to hang this on the side of my bag or my backpack. It just looks so cute. I love the little container and all of those colors. Look at how fun. It even glows in the dark, you guys. And then when you need to use it, I guess you just take it out of here. And it's the, oh, and then it's such a cute shape too. It's like a teardrop. And then you roll out, and you can just put this on your face, your neck, smooth it around on your arms. I love this application, and I always tell you guys, I like having both styles, like the cream form and then like the balm form, just because they're completely different. For one, tossing these in your purse, your backpack, anything like that, you're not gonna make a mess. If the lid ends up lifting or opening or anything like that, there's no mess. There's no mess using it. You're not putting things on your hands. You're not having to wipe your hands off. I just love the convenience of this style, and I tell you guys that all the time. So that is super cool, and then it's even designed specifically fat end, skinny end, and it fits perfectly down in there. Oh my gosh, I think this is super cute, and I love all these little things hanging here. That is just way too cute. Isn't that just adorable? I'm definitely going to be hanging this on the side of my bag or something. Like, this is just too cute. And then the last one in here, you guys, it is an Onion New Pair Sunscreen SPF 40. It says purple protector, soothes and corrects. And let's see then, is it going to be purple? It is. It is purple. That is a lavender purple color. That's definitely different. So it is purple protector, soothes and corrects. And then this purple one here. Oh, and that instantly pretty much dries down. You don't see no purple cast or anything like that. It blends in seamlessly. I don't smell anything with that one either. And it says purple protector right on the top. That is so, so neat. So there's different types of sunscreens in here, and I am all for it. So it says it's UV Guardian with a unique purple tint, which seamlessly blends into your skin, providing an even finish. It has red onion extracts and vitamin complex, vitamins B, E, and K. Wow, okay, that is awesome. So here is the whole entire kit, you guys, and then just slides back in. I just think that is so cool. That is just so neat, and I really, really, really love that one sunscreen with the keychains hanging. That's my favorite. Okay, so now let's go with the Carrot Calming Water Pad by Skin Food. That's a big packaging too. And down inside, this is what it looks like. So this can be used with sensitive skin, and it says how to use after washing your face. Place the pads onto both cheeks or wherever soothing is needed. Wait 5 to 10 minutes and then gently wipe the entire face, avoiding the eye area. Pat lightly to help the essence absorb into the skin. So basically for concentrated areas, you can leave a couple little pads on your face for a few minutes and then just take it off. And then when we remove the seal, that is what it looks like down inside. So you have all of these little pads. Does it tell me how many are in here? 60 pads. So you have 60 different pads. Ooh, is this only one or is there multiple here? This is only one. I just tried to rip it apart almost. That's a thick pad, so that's really neat. So it's a nice thick pad that you can just leave on your face or just kind of use it like a toner, I would assume. But there you go. You have 60 pads, and it's the Carrot Calming Water Pads. Nice. I cannot wait to try that. I absolutely love getting a toner or anything with the pads, so I can just put it on my face, wipe it around, toss it, and then I don't have to worry about anything else. So I can't wait to try that. Now we have by Metac Cube. It is the Deep Vita C Capsule Cream. Vitamin water, 50% plus vitamin C. Ooh. It is a 55 gram or 1.94 ounce. So there is a little scoop router that you can use. And that is the packaging. This is a dual cream formula containing 50% vitamin water and 5 types of vitamin C that helps brighten the skin, providing glassy and dewy complexion. Nice. For the final step in skincare routine, mix the yellow capsules and... Wait, are there capsules inside here? Did I totally just like bypass the whole word capsule cream on here? It says, for the final step of skincare routine, mix the yellow capsules and transparent gel on the back of your hand, then gently apply it to the skin. Now I really have to see what is inside here. Okay, because I'm like, I don't hear things moving around. It's like a it's like a jelly consistency, and there's all these little balls in there. So you scoop up one ball, is what I'm assuming, and you mash it on the back of your hand to break it up and then put it on your face. That is definitely different, like really, really different. And you don't have to wash it off or anything like that. So I'm actually really excited to try that out. Scoop out a ball, bust that ball open and put it on your face. Wow, I'm so excited about that. That is definitely different. And with all of those vitamins inside, oh my gosh, my face is going to love it. So 2 more products, you guys. This one is a Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Rice plus B5 SPF 50 plus PA plus. And I always tell you how much I love sunscreen. We need to protect our skin from the horrible sun rays. I mean, skin cancer is huge in my family. That's why I'm always like, give me some more. You got some sunscreen? Give me some more. And that is an adorable package. Look at that ombre color of the blue to like that grayish tan beige kind of color up here. And this is that nice pretty blue, like a baby blue. Okay, so it goes on white. Dun, 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 dun. I put a lot on, but oh, look at that. It disappeared pretty quick, and I put too much on the top of my hand. But yeah, it's pretty much all blended in now. So that is nice. I don't smell anything at all. It feels nice and nourishing. So that is nice. I love sunscreen. I even toss tons of these like in my man's van. I stick them in his golf bag. I think he even has one like in his lunch bag. So if he goes to play stickball, he has one. So like these little things of sunscreen are all over in my house, cars. Like I can't say that enough how much it, we need to protect our skin. So I love a good sunscreen. So there's that. And I love that package with that ombre blue. That is so cute. Okay, so the last and final product is this by Tier. Now, a while back, I did show you the entire PR set that had every single color. Well, Tier has came out with a few new colors now to go with those. So that kit was like the newest colors, like they expanded their colors, and that was all of them. Now they're expanding a little bit more. So that's a great thing. She did ask me to kind of choose which one, and just by looking at a photo, it's extremely hard for me to figure out my skin tone. So I said the 27C Cool Beige is what I figured would probably maybe match up more to me. I'm not sure, but let me tell you the different ones that they have now available. Okay, so again, this is a 27C Cool Beige. Then they have a 30N Rich Honey, a 31N French Beige, 34C Amber, 34W Toffee, 37C Almond, and 51N Fudge. So those are all new colors that they've added to their cushions. So that is awesome. So if there was a color and you were kind of in between, check now and see the new colors, because one of those might match with you a little better. So let's go ahead and get this one out. We'll see if it does match me. If not, again, I just chose one offline. So it's the same packaging. And then you push right here, and then it lifts up. You have a mirror on the top. You have your little cushion thing here, and then you will lift this up, and that is the actual foundation. Inside of here, it has like this little pull tear kind of thing. So you just lift this up, and you just go with the arrow and pull it up. Now it is completely off. That looks like it's going to be a little too dark for my Casper self over here. But again, now I can at least show you a different color that I didn't get to show you before. So let me just go ahead and just dabble a little and put it on the back of my hand. Yeah, it is definitely too orange of a color for me, but I can at least show you what this color would look like on my lighter skin. So if I just kind of blend this in a little bit more, I mean, actually, I might be able to get away with that. I'm going to try it just to see, just so you guys can see it all on my face. But my face, I know, is definitely darker than my hands. So that might work. I don't know. If you want to see this all the way on my face, then here you go. Okay, so since I know this is not my color, it's gonna be too dark. I don't wanna wear it like going out, but I just wanna show you what it would be as far as like full coverage and what it would look like on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now before I go jump in the shower. My face has nothing on it today. Yeah, again, definitely too dark, but I wanna show you. And a little bit goes a long way. So you just have a little, just tap a little bit and a little goes a long way. That was a bug bite that I kept scratching. And the damn mosquitoes are everywhere right now. And there you go. It is a different color. Again, we already knew that, but at least you can see it's full coverage. All my freckles are gone. My little bug bite that I keep picking at is gone. I don't even feel like I have anything on my face. And yeah, I just feel nice and moisturized, and that's how the color looks on my skin. And then here is in different lighting. So that is, again, one of the new colors. That's so great that they came out with new colors to help you guys out, because I did even see on my video, some were saying that it was hard for them to tell because one was a little too light, one was a little too dark. So now they have so many different colors now in between to help you guys out. So that is what they sent for me to show you guys some new and exciting items by some amazing brands. So we have the Tier cushion. We have the Metac Cube capsule cream, which I'm so excited to pop one of those balls open and put it on my face. We have the sunscreen, calming water pads, and then this adorable set, which I cannot say enough how cute the packaging is. And I'm so excited about this one right here, and actually all of the stuff in this box. I love that. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for this particular video. Again, they wanted you to see some new and amazing items by some amazing brands. What did you think about all of these items here? What would be your favorite? What is your favorite brand out of here? Do you want to go check them out? Definitely let me know down below. They will be listed in my description box, again, to go straight to their website, or any of these individual products will all be listed there for you. And INF10 SheCrafty will save you 10 to 15% off their already low prices that they have. If you want to check them out, again, it'll all be listed down below. If you want to see other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Now that is everything. Again, comment below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.